Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be taking a look at euro dollar. So on the euro dollar, right, what I have here is the 4-hour chart. There's a very interesting sort of pattern that I want to share with you guys today, especially with regards to how I actually use RSI. So just taking a look at RSI on the 4 hours, right? We see that price. Okay, let me just move this away. Okay, we see that price. Okay, let me change the color as well. Sorry. Okay, so RSI actually made a low over here, right? It made a low over here as well, and of course it made a low at this area, and now RSI is making a low at this area. Now, what is the common similarities between all these 4 points? Right now, if we were to look up here, every time RSI made a low, okay, price would show a bounce. This time RSI made a low, okay, and price showed a bounce. Of course, price came back and went even higher. Now, when RSI made a low over here, okay, price reversed and went all the way up. So now when we see RSI testing this level again, we can say with a slighter more convincing certainty that price should also show a bounce. So apart from this RSI reacting at this support level, so I'm just going to draw in a support line. All right, just let me get a bit darker so you guys can see it better. Right over here, every time price RSI touches this support, price makes a bounce. Now we also see the price made a low over here and it moved all the way to the high. So we can actually take a retracement of this move, low to the high, and open off Fibonacci ratios. But I already done my analysis, so there's a 61.8 right here. Okay, let me change the color. So we see that price is testing 61.8 right over there. Okay, and we just want to give the trade a bit of room to breathe, so we can back it up a bit, okay, and use this as sort of an entry to play a bounce, right? So this is really the support level. Okay, and we also can put, okay, we can use the next retracement, the 78.60, as sort of a intraday stop loss. All right, so I'll put the stop loss slightly outside this 78.60 to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. All right, and something like that. So of course, the question is, where will our take profit be, right? If there's going to be a bounce, right, the final take profit for me will really be at this swing high over here. Okay, just to the graphical area. All right, and for those of you who are a bit more sharp, let's go down to the 1 hour, a bit more clear about the charts. Okay, we can actually take a retracement from the high to the low over here, from the high to the low, and we can open all Fibonacci ratios, but right, the one that I want to highlight is the 38.2. Right, the 38.2 shows a very strong graphical overlap. If we look to the left, we actually have a graphical overlap at this area, so we can have a partial take profit at this area. All right, of course we're playing all the way up to the final take profit. Okay, and because this is the 1 hour, it's really anywhere in this zone that can be our take profit area. All right, so this works out really nicely to in terms of indicator. Let me go back out to the 4 hours. In terms of indicator and in terms of Fibonacci levels and graphical levels, all right, this works out to be a very nice probability for the intraday trade of today. So until the next time, I'll catch you guys. Take care, trade safe, and I'll see you guys the next time.